means people everywhere are enjoying a good night's sleep on bigger beds for bigger savings.
What you doing?
The big price drop at Mattress Firm. King for the
Mama
price
said
of a
give
queen,
her a call.
queen for the price of a twin. Hurry in today to save up to $700.
That letter that she gave me, it was something about getting a registering for a Thanksgiving basket. And she want to tell you what to do or how to do it.
It's the big price drop at Mattress Firm. We've dropped the price of a king to a queen. And
the letter's on top
the
TV stand.
Every
The
brand,
TV.
like Serta, Beauty Rest, and more. Which
All
means
right,
everyone will have more room to stretch their budgets and on their beds. The big price drop. King for the price of a queen, queen for the price of a twin. Hurry in today to save up to $700 on every brand. Your budget stretches further at Mattress Firm. Visit mattressfirm.com/sale for details. Offers and prices may vary by state.
Tonight on Fox's hit singing competition, The Four. The finale is almost here. Four have fought hard to keep their seats, but their biggest battle is yet to come.
You better dig deeper than you ever have in your life.
Fan favorites from the season return to try to steal them back.
Games is over. No mercy. Nobody's safe.
The Four, Battle for Stardom, hosted by Fergie.
Let the battle begin.
Tonight at 8/7 Central on Fox.
When you work for yourself, every mile you drive for business is worth money back at tax time. Never miss a mile with QuickBooks automatic mileage tracking and get maximum deductions at tax time. Smarter business tools for the world's hardest workers. QuickBooks, backing you.
And here's your weather on 98.5 WYLD.
This report is brought to you by QuickBooks.
A cold front arrives tonight, cooler by tomorrow morning, some upper 40s north and lower 50s south, and look for clouds with some sun at times on Friday, a cooler breeze, and a high in the mid-50s. From the Fox 8 Weather Center, I'm Chief Meteorologist David Bernard.
When you work for yourself, every receipt lost is cash lost at the end of the year. Snap and sort your business expenses with QuickBooks for maximum deductions at tax time. Smarter business tools for the world's hardest workers. QuickBooks, backing you.